The Office at Work Admin Center is a web application accessible through any browser, optimized for PC-sized screens and for use with a mouse and keyboard. It provides a seamless experience for users. To access the Office at Work Admin Center, simply navigate to admin.officeatwork.com using your preferred browser. If your browser is already logged into your Microsoft 365 tenant, the Admin Center will automatically sign you in using the same account. In case of multiple Microsoft 365 accounts, you'll have the option to choose the desired account for sign-in. If you haven't previously signed into Microsoft 365, you'll encounter the welcome screen. Click on the Sign In button and enter your Microsoft 365 user or admin account credentials. If you sign in with the wrong user account, you can click on your avatar in the top right of the blue app bar and click on the Sign Out icon next to your name. This will trigger the sign out flow. Select your user account you want to sign out of, and then re-navigate back to the Admin Center URL to sign back in using a different account. The Office at Work Admin Center caters to two distinct user roles: Microsoft 365 admins, responsible for tasks requiring elevated permissions, and Office at Work product owners, tasked with configuring app experiences. Product owners only need basic Microsoft 365 user permissions within your tenant. Please be aware that users not listed as Microsoft 365 admins or Office at Work admins won't have the ability to modify Office at Work app experiences, ensuring accidental changes are prevented. Upon signing in, the top left corner of the home screen prominently showcases the Microsoft 365 tenant name corresponding to the user logged into the Office at Work Admin Center. It's important to note that any configurations made will exclusively impact that particular tenant. In addition, you'll discover a list of subscribed apps along with opportunities to explore and trial further Office at Work apps. The Admin Center features a convenient navigation bar on the left, offering direct access to each Office at Work app, including the Admin Center itself. Click on any app to discover the various configuration options available to you. To begin configuring Office at Work app experiences, navigate to the desired app and navigate to one of the available configuration cards. Each app may offer different configuration options, accompanied by informative videos for guidance. Check out the video to learn more about the configuration for that specific topic. We strongly recommend starting with the Admin Center configuration, top to bottom, as it is a prerequisite for configuring some of the other Office at Work apps. Once that is done, feel free to start configuring any of the other apps. We hope this video has equipped you with the necessary knowledge to start configuring your Office at Work app experiences effectively.